Welcome to the Coinoscope Numismatic Identification Guide. This video will walk you through how to identify coins by image, check coin values, and use your digital numismatic app. Every old coin holds a secret history. Do you know how to unlock its true market value? Learn how to find the value of your coins for free with Coinoscope. Coinoscope provides an instant AI solution. It automatically recognizes coins using artificial intelligence. We have millions of downloads worldwide across Android and iOS, and offer your free digital numismatic database. The first step is capturing a clear image. You can take a clear photo directly through the app or upload existing images from your phone's gallery. The AI matches your image against global databases. It scans across online numismatic catalogs in seconds and analyzes national symbols, flags, and languages. Discover instant identification and market value. Access historical information instantly and view an approximate market value based on recent sales, including the country of origin, year of minting, and denomination. Organize your treasury with My Collection. Save your coin photos and search results. Build and manage a digital inventory of your old coins. Identify global currencies and national symbols. Easily check the value of Australian coins and recognize animals, buildings, and national symbols from any era. Modern numismatics embraces pop culture. Identify new pop culture themes as easily as old relics, reflecting the trend of bold mint artistry starting in 2025. Choose between the free and pro tiers. The silver tier is free and includes basic AI scanning and advertisements, with a limited number of daily scans. The gold tier pro unlocks all premium features, offering an ad-free experience and unlimited scans for active collectors. Enjoy a seamless transition from mobile to desktop. Take coin photos using your phone camera and view detailed search results comfortably in your desktop browser. We balance AI capabilities with human expertise. The advantages include incredibly fast identification, a massive global database, and ease of use for beginners. Limitations exist, as values are estimates, and highly rare coins may need expert human verification. Coinoscope is a trusted tool for the global numismatic community. We have over 2.6 million downloads, 127,000 active monthly users, and more than 9,600 ratings, providing a safe, secure, and widely adopted platform. The smart collector relies on hybrid verification. AI identification offers rapid sorting, organizing, and initial value estimates. Traditional cataloging provides expert verification, historical deep dives, and final valuation. Start identifying your hidden treasures today. Download Coinoscope for free on Google Play and the App Store. Turn your pocket change into documented history.